Rwanda reminds us that transformation begins with a decision. The decision to refuse the limits of history and circumstances, to think beyond present constraint, and to begin building a future others may not yet envision. That is why Kigali is the right place for this forum. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased to join you for this important conversation on resetting minds in Africa, because there are moments in the life of a continent when the most consequential question is not simply what policies we should adopt, what projects we should finance, or what institution we should create, but how we understand ourselves, how we measure what is possible, and whether we see ourselves principally as a recipient of decisions made elsewhere or as authors of the future we wish to build.